Now, this strategy involves some smart tricks which will get people to do what you want. I made this strategy to work in every occasion. You can use it as well after watching this video, and you can get money as I do. Just make sure to watch how exactly this works so you don't lose your time. It is simple, it is easy, and it works, guys. So if you want to make some money, follow me along the video, and please like the video as well because it really helps. Now, let's get started. So first of all, guys, I want you to connect to Uplieb.com, and as you can see, Uplieb rocks, guys. All of these are satisfied with the use of Uplieb, and basically what does this do is you can buy Instagram followers and grow your account faster, guys. You can buy Instagram followers here for a certain price, and that's what these people are coming here to do. They want these standard followers, they want these premium followers, they have the option to buy 100, they have option to buy 500 or 1000 as well, but we don't want that, guys. We don't need any Instagram followers for this method. We are gonna do something for this website which is called affiliating, guys, and as you can see, they've got 4.7 out of 5 satisfaction rating, and that's what offers us opportunity to affiliate for them because people are gonna be satisfied with their service and they will get everything they want. They will use every resource out of here and they will get more followers for them in the end, guys, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna Uplieb this opportunity for us because that's money for us, guys. We can get a lot of money using this, and you will in a moment see how much money you can get out of affiliating for Uplieb.com, guys. A lot of people are satisfied, as you can see, great satisfaction rating overall, and we're gonna take advantage of that. Just look at how many people are liking Uplieb.com. It's crazy how popular these guys are, and I want you guys to just go down to the bottom of the page and click on this section which is called affiliates, and here you can see, guys, that you can become an affiliate for free. Of course, it's free. You don't have to invest anything, guys. You will just generate your custom URL that you will get from them. You will share it everywhere, and I'll show you the traffic source for it, and in the end you will just track your earnings and you will get paid, guys. It is crazy. It is really crazy. It is so lucrative, so profitable. You will be happy with this. Just come here and click on become an affiliate now, and here you can see that you can just enter your first name, your last name, your email, and a password. Complete this captcha and click on sign up now. But guys, this is what is important, guys. 30% recurring monthly commission at the same time. 30%, guys, for you. Whatever people buy, you will get 30% out of that. Now you can see here, guys, that this is most selected package, so people take this one the most, and here it says that it's worth $19, guys. So $19 is what these customers are gonna pay. And if we do just a quick calculation on how much 30% is from $19, guys, you will see that that's $5 for you guys. $5.7, almost $6, and that's great. So you will get $6 each time someone comes here and buys 500 followers, guys, and you know that this is cheap, guys. This is really cheap, and whoever buys this, it's gonna go and buy 500 more because you know for Instagram 500 followers is nothing almost. And as far as affiliating goes, guys, you'll be able to track every new client you bring to Uplieb through your own dedicated affiliate panel, guys. Each client you bring to Uplieb delivers you a 30% commission for every order they place with Uplieb. So what I want you to do, guys, now is to sign up here, get your affiliate link, copy it into your clipboard, and just quickly go over to bit.ly.com and make that link shorten. So just click here and shorten your link, click on this one, and you will have your link shortened because it's better looking that way. And right now, guys, I want you to visit Quora.com, and here you will find everything that you need. You will here find something which is called traffic, guys, and a lot of people come here to find traffic, to find different answers to their questions, and to find people in general. So what I want you to do is just click on here and just type in how to grow Instagram profile, guys, and that's what we need, guys. As you can see, what is the best way to grow Instagram followers? That is what these people are searching for, and that's what we're gonna focus on, guys. This is it. As you can see, there are a lot of these questions. This is one of them. So what is the best way to grow Instagram followers? And this is your answer, guys. Uplieb.com and your affiliate link. But wait guys, first of all, you need to make these people trust you, and this is how you're gonna accomplish that. You can simply go on google.com, your best friend Google, and just type in how to grow Instagram followers. Then you will go and find an article like this one here guys, and you will select all of this text over here. You will just copy it and paste it as your answer on the Quora forum guys. And that's how you're gonna make these guys trust you, because they will see professionally written article, professionally written answer to their question, and that's gonna make you credible on Quora.com, and that's how they're gonna visit your link that you're gonna provide them with. Now you can just come and here and copy this into your clipboard guys, and paste this as your answer guys. That's it. And you can see here that there are a lot of these questions. So for example, how to grow Instagram profile, just click enter, and that's gonna open all of these guys. Just look at how many people are getting these questions, how many people are asking the same question. It is endless guys. There is opportunity for you here to build your customer base, to lead them to Uplieb.com, and to earn those great commissions guys. Great commissions on Uplieb.com. You will get a lot of money, 30% for each of these purchases. And now just look at how many people need that actually. So what is the best strategy for growing my account on Instagram? How will web profiles help grow Instagram? How can I get more followers in Instagram in 1 month? And that's it guys. This is all you need. You will just lead them to Uplieb.com, and the rest is history guys. The rest is all money. Just money for yourself guys. You will get paid on time every time. Lucrative commissions as hell. You also have dedicated support, and you will solve all your problems which you have, and you have every order tracked, so you don't think of something negative here. There is no negativity on this website, only cash. And Quora.com is gonna help you guys. This website is gonna make you rich, because I'll just show you what. Look at this guys. If you go to SimilarWeb and search for Quora.com, you will find that it is 60 rank on the country rank in the United States and 74 globally. And this is the reason why it has 600 million users here every month guys. That's 600 million every month visiting this website guys, and a lot of them are from the United States. As you can see, 38% guys, almost 39, 600 million users here come every month guys. That is your traffic. That's your traffic guys. Indeed, you will get these people to go on Uplieb.com, and you will earn that commission guys. Just repeat that mantra guys. You will earn a lot of money. A lot of money is gonna go into your PayPal account or whatever guys. You will get a lot of money using this strategy. Just combine this Uplieb affiliate program with Quora.com and this traffic that they possess guys, and it's a money-making machine guys. It's a crazy opportunity, and you must not miss this. There is a lot of money to be made out here, so don't be a fool. Don't miss this opportunity, because it is so easy. It is so easy guys. You will just use this traffic. You will just copy that article, so people will trust you, and they will go to Uplieb.com, and they will buy some followers for themselves, and you will earn a commission. Now please guys, please go over here, go and take some action, and I will catch you guys later.